More and more people are beginning to look for ways to make passive income. So here are the 4 ways you can begin with just $100. Number 1. Shopify. Start a drop shipping business on Shopify, which is a business model that allows entrepreneurs to start an online business and sell products to their buyers without stocking the items themselves. It is a low-risk approach for independent businesses to test out new product ideas. Here are a few tips to help you start out. Pick products with repeat purchases. This will give you recurring revenue. Try to find products with low turnover, that aren't updated with new models every year. Sell products that are hard to find locally. And try to sell smaller products so shipping costs are kept low. Number 2. Invest in the S&P 500 index fund through eToro or another investment app. The average annual growth is 9.8%, and the dividend yields range from 3% to 5%. This is a great way to invest your $100 over a longer period of time for greater gains. Number 3. Dividends. Use the Stake Investment app to invest in stocks that pay out dividends. The payout ratio would be similar to putting the money in a high-yield savings account. But the idea is to also pick a stock that you think will grow in market value over time as well. Examples include Procter & Gamble, which has a payout rate of 2.29%, and ExxonMobil, which has a payout rate of 9.43%. Number 4. High-yield savings account. Put the $100 in a Westpac Life account to grow your money without doing anything on your end. Continue putting $100 a month for a year, and get $20 in total interest. It might not seem like much, but it's $20 for doing nothing. The definition of passive income. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share and turn on notifications for more daily videos.